Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch or would like to purchase at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Cartier Tank Solo with a silver or white dial with Roman numerals, a leather strap. Size is 31 millimeters by 24 millimeters. Reference W5200024. I'll tell you a little bit about the case, bezel, dial, bracelet movement, finally try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's start just with a little history. The Tank Solo has been around for quite some time, since approximately 2004, and it's a variation of the Tank Classic. This is the Tank Solo. What is kind of notable about the Tank Solo is that it has these flat bezel edges here, as opposed to the newer version that replaces this, called the Tank Must, which I'll tell you a little about when I tell you about the case. The Tank Solo was in production from approximately 2004 until around 2020 or so, and then it was replaced. So that's a 15-year run, and then it was replaced by the Tank Must, which is currently in production, at least as of 2026. It's very similar, just the bezel edges looked a little different. Okay, so with that said, let's start talking about this watch itself, starting with the case. Now, I just told you the dimensions, but I'll say them again because they're quite notable. The height, meaning going from 12 to 6, is 31 millimeters. That is a mid-size, for example, like on a Datejust. But going left to right, since it's a rectangle, it's around 24 millimeters. So that's quite small. It's even smaller than the smallest Datejust, and even smaller than the smallest Datejust used to be, which was 26 millimeter. So it's quite thin, and this would be considered a small. Now, the Tank Solo, I believe they made them in different sizes. This is the smallest. That's why they call it the small. And the thickness is only around 6 millimeters thick, and that's because it's using a quartz movement, which is a battery run movement. It's not a automatic movement or manual wind movement, but regardless, it makes the watch very small. So this is a small watch for a small lady who likes to wear small watches, or a smaller woman. Okay. All right, so that's what you have for the size of the case. Now, the case, as you can see, obviously it's gold, and this is rose gold. This is Cartier's version of rose gold. It's not yellow gold. They usually make their gold out of either rose gold, or they call it pink gold sometimes, or rose gold or yellow gold, and this one's in rose gold. Now, they use this. Let's move on here to the bezel. Now, here's what is different. At least what I see from the current collection in 2020. After 2020, Cartier decided to get rid of the Tank Solo and replace it with a Tank Must. And the difference I see with the Solo, which is what this is, versus the Must, is that the bezel edges, you see these parts, are flat here. But the bezel edges on the Must are rounded. Now, I don't know if that makes a big difference to you, but that's at least what I see. And I see that on the Must, they are producing them only in non-precious metal. I don't see any in precious metal. So for Cartier to make this watch is selling around $5,000. For them to make a $5,000 watch that is actually in gold, it's a pretty nice price point. I don't think they're doing that anymore. All the gold ones are much more expensive than that. So in that sense, it's really worth the money. Okay, now we've talked about the bezel, and then let's talk about the dial. The dial is just a very basic Cartier dial, but it's signature Cartier. They love to do these Roman numerals and these blue sword hands, and this one's no exception. Okay, so let's move on to the strap. Now, the strap, it's not all that notable. It's using an 18 millimeter lug width strap, and you can get it in. You can buy whatever strap that you want, actually, and because it's just a standard 18 millimeter size, so you can either buy it from Cartier or aftermarket as well. This one happens to be brown, but you can put it on a black or whatever you want, and it has a pin buckle, which I think is pretty nice. It's a nice pin buckle. Okay, that's the pin buckle, and then the case, the movement. As I told you, you can't see it. It's a quartz movement. It's not seen because probably it's quartz. It doesn't look all that beautiful, but it does what it's supposed to do, and it's not that expensive. So, okay, time to try this watch on my wrist and give you my thoughts. Thoughts are this just Tank. So Tank is a classic Cartier watch. It's been around forever, like more than 100 years. They have tons of variations of it. This one's no exception. And, you know, just find one in your budget, in the configuration that you like, and get it. And if you like to save money and buy at the lowest price anywhere online, go to jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.